hello. This is part 2. That's right, part 2. I told you guys I'd go shopping again. So I went out today and I did some shopping. Let's take a look. Okay, so first stop was a Goodwill. And I got some stuff at Goodwill. First off, Hubbard fixed the mask. See, now the mask works. Now I can wear the mask out in public. Okay, so the first stop was the Goodwill. And I got these. I found these little note cards. And I thought these would be cute, you know, for putting in my stuff. And they got a little bit of glittery stuff on them, but it's like embossed, so it doesn't come off. But, you know, they're just little good little cards, like, you know, and I thought those were cute. And I could write a little note for people and stick it in my stuff. You know, a little, hey, thanks. Appreciate you. I'm always looking for something to put in there that says, hey, appreciate you. So I got those, and I got these. You got the ice cream cone. And then this one, name and address phone book, right? And it even has email spaces in it. And I thought this was kind of cool. And, you know, nobody's written in it. It's brandy new. So I thought this would be cool. I could get this and then, you know, start putting all my stuff in it. And then I would have everybody's address and stuff. And I thought that was great. And then I found this. It's a 5-year planner from 2018 to 2022. And we're only in 2020, so I got 2 years left. You know. So I figure I got like half a book here. Look, you know, it's like half a book. So for $1, I thought it was worth it. So I grabbed it because, you know, now I don't have to keep changing out my brain. Then I went to the other Goodwill. That's a receipt. You guys don't care about the receipt. So I went to the other Goodwill, and they had these. Somehow this thing opens. There we go. This side. Oh my God. But they had this, and it was like pretty much a full box. And I like these butterfly clips. They're real good for stuff, you know. So I grabbed those. Nice size, too. Not too big, not too small. And, you know, they were 69 cents. So, and then they had a bag. They had a bag. So let's see what's in the bag. I'll tell you why I bought it. I bought it because I saw these 7 gypsies. They were on the front of the bag, and that's why I bought it. So we got 7 gypsies, Hampton Art. Collections from the Journey. Cafe, restaurant, bistro, diner, pizzeria, bakery, tavern, tea room, grill, cantina, deli. There's all kinds of Mexican, American, Italian. So, you know, like a cooking thing. And then they had some of these studio ones. Me, Feel, dang, it's been a while. So sorry. Just wanted to say thanks. You did awesome. Congrats. You know, and they're not bad, you know. And there's another one here. Dang. Hello. Needed you to know I'm here for you. OMG, it's your birthday. So sorry, and oh heck, I missed your birthday. Then there was these. These are pebbles, and these are stamps too. And then there was this one, which is more food. Well, this one's sports related. And then there was this stuff in there. I like these little things. And this stuff in there. You know, they're just little stickers. And this one, look at that. It's got a key and a chandelier. And then there were some letters and a lone bunny. There were some letters in here. Printed letters. Oh, yeah, some of them they all got script on them. So those were cool. So I found all of those in a bag. And then, at the same Goodwill, I found this. And I already have most of these, but some of them I don't. Like this one I like. You know, I got a lot of them in here I saw that I liked. But I thought, you know, washi tape. You guys like washi tape. I like washi tape. We all like washi tape. Look at that one. Fall leaves. That one's pretty. So, there's only like 4 or 5 of them here that I want. So, you know, I'll take those and then I'll sell the rest. There's some fabric washi in here I saw. A couple of nice ones. You know, a couple of nice ones. Here, look. This is like fabric. And I like the fabric washi for like my journals and stuff. So I grabbed that because, you know, it was in the bag and I said, what the hell? And this one, Amy loves this one with the googly eyes on it, you know. And it's like an ombre. But, you know, I got all of these washi tapes. And I was like, you know, I have lots of people who would like to have this because they're cool. They're really awesome. So I grabbed it. And, you know, we'll see. We'll see what we'll do with it. Stay? Okay. And then we went to the Savers. So I went to the first Savers. And I got 2 bags. 2 bags. All right. So on this one, all I saw was K & Company. You know me, K & Company. Oh my God. They are stinking cute. Those are going straight to Laura. And then we got these. That's cool. And this one, that one's awesome. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh. And a pad. I love pads. And then I found this one. And there was this. And, you know, that's K & Company right there. And they had that stuff. Don't know what that is. Look at that. That's cool. That's K & Company. So I grabbed that. And then I saw this bag. And I'll tell you why I bought it. I bought it because there was this thing in there. And it was really heavy. I mean, this sucker is heavy. And, you know, they had these. And I've had a few sets of these. I sold my personal set here not long ago. But they had a set of these. And I was like, you know, that's not bad. So I can get rid of those. But I saw this and I was like, what the hell is it? But I had to buy the bag to find out. So I opened it up. And it's a toolkit from Making Memories. And it's for setting eyelets back in the day, you know. When you used to punch the hole and then, you know, you had to set the eyelet manually. That's what this is. It's an old eyelet setting tool. See, there's the piece for the top and everything. So I thought that was kind of cool, and I'll see if somebody wants it. But it's kind of heavy, and it's got this little mat here, you know, for cutting the holes and stuff and tapping everything. And I thought it's kind of neat. Maybe somebody will want it. So I grabbed it. And then I got a pack of typing paper. This is like old school typing paper. We're going to put that in the vats. See what the hags can do with it. And then I got this just because it was stinking cute and I liked it. Just a little M&M tin. But I thought, you know, it would be cute for putting embellishments in, so I grabbed it. And I found this. And it made me think of one of our very own ladies. It is a very old golden book. Disney's Mother Goose. And the copyright on this is 1952. The 15th printing, 1971. And it's all the nursery rhymes in, you know, Disney form. And it's perfect. I mean, the spine is cracked, obviously, because it's been used. And it is a little worn on the outside. But There's no writing on any of the pages. It's in really great shape. So I got that. And they had these. And I like anything that's, you know, a little different. These need to be cleaned up. This one is cranberry. It needs a bath. It's seen better days. This one is blush. And I'm always looking for a light pink, so I'm hoping this is a nice light pink. And it's juicy. Juice is good. Twilight. I thought that was an interesting color. And then this bag. And these are all close to my heart inks. This one is Buttercup. Kind of a light yellow. Cool. Black. Somebody was not very nice to their stuff, you know? But I'll clean these up. They'll look real nice. This one's Cocoa. Just like a brown color. Looks like something leaked into it, though. But we'll have to clean them up and see. And this one is Garden Green. And, yeah, that one's juicy, too. So we'll have to take a look and see, you know, if we can get them cleaned up and get them serviceable. Then the one thing I do like is, close to my heart, does keep their old inkers, their re-inkers. So even if, you know, these are dried out, I can get new ink from close to my heart. What else did I get? Oh, and then I went to Tuesday morning, and I got to tell you guys, there was nothing. But the truck came in today, and they haven't gotten it out yet. But I did get these. I picked up a pair of these. These were $6.99 from the DIY shop. They're craft scissors, and they're the gold-handled ones. So let's take it out of the bag and take a look. I like these because they're a little bit more ergonomic, you know. See? They have that nice flat on them. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's see how they cut. I just happen to have scrap of fabric here. Let's take a look. Not regular fabric, by the way. It is canvas, just so you know I'm not cutting lightweight cotton here. Oh, that's nice. Okay, I like these. All right, so $6.99, well worth the money. I'll give you the number on it just in case. 2310981, and they are from the DIY shop. Okay, from American Crafters. I could have gotten a pair when I was up at in Utah, but I didn't because, well, I was lazy. I knew they were there. I just didn't want to go back and get them. I was feeling lazy, so. But that's it, guys. That's all I got. Listen, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit the red button for me and subscribe. Like me, ring my bell, share me with all your friends, and then they can be my friends, and then we'll all be just crafty friends, and we'll build one big crafty community. Until I see you again, bye-bye.